Welcome to the fourth lecture on economic statistics. Today I am going to teach you geometric mean. So under measures of central tendency, now we are going to discuss the fourth one is geometric mean. Geometric mean. So again, there are three methods to calculate geometric mean. One is individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Now here in geometric mean, logarithms is there and anti-logarithms also there. How we are going to use logarithms, how we are going to find out logarithms. Let us say in the case of logarithms, we have to add up any values if they have given you, then that would be treated as n. So therefore n minus 1. And in the anti-logarithms, we have to take it as n plus 1. So there is a difference. Let us say, for example, if they have given you like this 0.21, and how we are going to find out logarithms. So it starts 0 means then 0 minus 1. So this will become minus 1. Then we will move to the, let us say, and the remaining two values that we have to check out in the logarithm so that we can find out the logarithms. Let us say if they have given you the values of like this 9. So this is a single value. Therefore n minus 1, it means the nth value, the value is 1. This will be treated as 1. 1 minus 1. Therefore this will become 0. And in the case of two values they have given you, let us say 8, 3. So two values, not 83. This we should not call it as 83. We have to treat it as two values, 8 and 3. Therefore, two values they have given you. 2 minus 1. Then this will become 1. So after 1, we have to put it a dot. Let us say in the case if they have given you three values, 3, 3, 3. Then what is the how we are going to find out logarithms for these values? When three values are there, then this will become 2 point something. And the first two values we have to take, we go through the logarithms, then the third value, that would be taken. Let us say these are the values. Now we have to find out logarithms. How we are going to find out logarithms? So logarithm tables, generally you go through the logarithm tables, there you find it starts from 10 to 99. When this much of value they have given you, we cannot find in the logarithm tables. Then how we are going to find out? Then these values would be treated as values. Let us say, I have already told you, I have already explained you, I have already described you that n minus 1. So how many values are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1. This will become 2. Now 2 you have to write. Then a point here. Then you go through the logarithm tables. You take the first two values. That automatically 33 will be there in between 10 to 99. Then the third value, another value is 3. So 1, 2, 3. So whatever value you may get, that you have to put it beside the 2 point something. Okay? And if they have given you 4 or 5 values, let us say 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 values they have given you. How we are going to find out? How to find out logarithm? Here you will take the first two values. First what we have to do? First 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 1. Then this will become 3 point. Then how we are going to find out logarithm logarithms, you take the first 61 value, 61, then the 8th value, Now, how we are going to find out when they have given you this much of values? So, how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 values are there. Then 4 that will be deducted. 4 that will become n. 4 minus 1. Then 3. 3 this you have to write. Then put a point here. Then 67. So, logarithms in the logarithm table it starts from 10 to 99. And 67 will be in between 10 to 99. Somewhere it is there, 67. Then you take the 8th value. Go from 1 to 19, 1 to 9. Somewhere it comes 8th value. Something around 32 or 87 or something. And another value is there. The 9th value. Then in the mean difference, the 9th value is somewhere 4 or 5. Let us assume that 4. Then you have to add up all the values. 3287, and in the mean difference, whatever value you got it under 9, this we have to add. 1, 9, 2, 3. So this you have to write the values 3 to 9. Let us assume only this is purely an example that I have given you so that you can easily understand how we are going to calculate logarithms. Then in the case of, let us say this is all about logarithms. In the case of anti-logarithms, let us say the points will be occurred like this, 1.3210. Let us assume that after calculating of all the values, you got this point, you got these values. So anti-logarithms, how we are going to calculate anti-logarithms? By looking at the table. Before going to the tables, it also starts from 0, it point to 0.102, 0.99. Same as how we are going to find out the logarithms. Same table, just it is only an anti. So here, when they have given you 1, in the case of whatever values you may got it, you may occur, let us say 1 will be there. Then in the case of logarithms, in the case of anti-logarithms, n plus 1. So n plus 1 is what? N is how much? This will become n. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. And how we are going to find out anti-logarithms? You take the first 2 values. You leave this one, the first one. The first 2 values are, let us say, 0.23. 0.323 will become in between 10 to 99. Let us say here 23. Then you go through 1 to 9. Some values will come. Here 5, 6 or 4, 7. Then you go to 1, 2. Then leave it or you take the second value, 1 to 9. Then they take the 2 values. Let us say 5, 6, 4, 7. And the second value is, let us say, it will come around 2 or 3. 9, 4, 6. So 1 is there. Therefore, in the case of anti-logarithms, 1 plus 1, it means that after 2 values, then you put a point here. So this is all about the logarithms and the anti-logarithms. Now we will start. Now this is the problem they have given you to find out geometric mean. So how we are going to find out geometric mean? This is the problem. These are the under individual series they have given you. So this type of work. Then what we have to do, first you have to write calculation of geometric mean. Then you have to write down the x values. X values are 1, 7, 29, 92, 115, 375. Now, for individual series, the formula for individual series is geometric mean is equal to anti-log of sigma log x by n. So here anti-log of sigma log x. Sigma log x means the total of x log x values. Then n would be automatically the number of items which may occur. So here we have to find out log x. So the first one is how we are going to calculate for logarithms for 1. 1 means n minus 1 is 0, 0 point, then put 4 zeros. Then here one value will be given. So here also 1 minus n. n is how much? 1. 1 minus 1. Therefore this will also become 0. Then put a point. Then we have to write 70. Straight away they have given you 7. Therefore from the logarithm tables, what value we have to take? The 70 value. 70 under 0. Then two values will be given. These are the log x. For 7, 0.8451. Then for 29 means 2 values. So automatically n minus 1 means 2 minus 1, 1. Then 92 is also 2 values, 9 and 2. Therefore n minus 1 means 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Then 3 values will be given. Then automatically this will become 2 and 3 values 2. So these are the log x logarithms. Then we have to add up all the values. This will become sigma log x. If you add up all the values, you will get 8.9060. Now the formula for geometric mean under individual series is GM is equal to anti-log of sigma log x by n. So you can write separately. See here, sigma log x is 8.9060. Then n is how much? N is number of items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N is 6. Then we have to interpolate all the values. Anti-log of sigma log x is 8.9060. That will be divided by n is 6. Then anti-log of here, if you divide 8.9060 divided by 6, you will get 1.4863. So anti-log of 1.4863. Then how we are going to find out anti-logarithm for this one? Here, in the case of anti-logarithms, n plus 1, it means one value is there. So 1 plus 1, this will become 2. Then we have to find out, leave this one. Then first 4, 8, then go to the 6. Then in the mid difference, we have to take the values. So all the values we come across nearly 30.3454. So anti-logarithm is 1 point something. So 1 plus 1 means 2. Therefore, after 2 values, we have to put a point. Therefore, 30.54 will be the answer. Under geometric mean, the second one is discrete series. Now under discrete series, how we are going to calculate geometric mean. Now this is the values they have given you to find out geometric mean. The formula for geometric mean is GM is equal to antilog of sigma f log x by n. Then what we have to do, the first step to find out answer is calculation of this. You have to write calculation of geometric mean. Then you have to write down the x values 350, 150, 200, 150 and 225. Then go to the frequencies 10, 2, 2, 2 and 4. Then we have to find out log x. First you have to write calculation of geometric mean. This is the, as it is, you have to write the x values 350, 150, 200, 150 and 225. Then frequencies are 10, 2, 2, 2, 4. Then the next step to find out geometric mean under discrete series is log x. So I have already explained to you that how we are going to find out logarithms. 3 values are there. 350 means 3 values, 350. Then automatically n minus 1 is 2 point. Then under 35 we have to go through the 0 to 9, that we have to take. These are the values. So all the 3 values are there. Then 150 means 3 values, 2 point something. 200 means 2 values, 150 means 2. Then 225 is also 2. So these are the log x. Then this would be multiplied with the frequencies. This would be frequencies would be multiplied with log x. Then we will get all the values 25.4410. Then this 2 into 2.1461 and 4.3522. Then this would be multiplied with 2.30 and this we got it. Then like this. So whatever values after multiplying with frequency into log x, then you have to add up all the values. The total this will become sigma f log x. So what is the formula for to calculate geometric mean and discrete series? Gm is equal to antilog of sigma f log x by n. So antilog of sigma f log x is how much? 48.1562. This will be divided by n is 20. Then antilog of, if you divide by 48.1562 divided by 20, then we will get 2.4078. Then in the antilogarithms, leave the first value. Now 2 is there, 0.4078. So it starts, antilogarithms starts from 0.10 to 0.99. So 0.40. How we are going to find out the logarithm values from the tables. So like that, here also we have to pick out. First you go through the 40, then you take the 7, then in the mean difference 8. So we will get 2558. These values we got. Now here in the case of anti-logarithm, n plus 1. So n is 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So therefore, after 3 values, put a point here. This is the answer under geometric mean, under discrete series. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you might have understand how to calculate geometric mean. Thank you.